Welcome back to 5 Minute Python. In this video, we are going to see how to solve name error. This is a common error that most beginners will face. By the end of this video, you will understand what causes a name error and how to fix it. Okay, so let's dive in. So here I have a variable capital X is equals to 10, Y is equals to 20, and print X plus Y. So if I run it, here you can see the error, name X is not defined. What does this mean? So a name error is occurs when you try to use a variable or function name that Python doesn't recognize because it hasn't been defined yet. In this case, Python is saying, I don't know what simple x is. Okay, we only define capital X. Okay, it's don't know about simple x. Okay, that's why it's throwing. Okay, I don't find any simple x in the script where I get that. Okay, so I don't find any simple x variable or function. Okay, so it basically, okay, this mean this simple x may be a function or variable. So it says I can't find this or figure it out, okay, in this script. So if you want to solve this error, you can change the variable to simple x. Okay, so 10, you can store the 10 in simple x, or you can change print capital X. Okay, if you put it like this, you can change like this. Okay, so if I run it, here you can see it's running. Other thing mostly you will encounter is that you maybe did some typos in the script. Okay, for example, let's say if I store a variable like this, 5-minute Python, 5-minute Python, if I write like this. Okay, so if I store the 5-minute Python in a variable name, and if I do a typo like this, okay, so if I print like this, here you can see name is not defined. Okay, the variable is stored in simple name, but you used capital N. Okay, so it's only occurs when you did any typos. So you must want to make sure that you didn't do any typos. Okay, so that is the only way to solve this problem.